Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Organic Insecticide is probably one of the most sought-after solutions for gardeners who prioritize both healthy plants and a healthy environment, and today, we will delve into the world of organic pest control, examining what makes an effective and safe insecticide, and providing you with a comprehensive review to help you make an informed decision for your vegetable garden. Number 5. Natria Insecticidal Soap. This ready-to-use spray bottle makes applying it a breeze. Just spray it on and you're done. It's highly effective at eliminating aphids, mealybugs, mites, whiteflies, and many other common garden pests. It's perfectly safe for organic gardening and can be used right up to harvest day. Use it on your roses, flowers, fruits, vegetables, and even your houseplants. It works wonders everywhere. This is your all-in-one solution for pest control, keeping your plants healthy and thriving. Protect your plants from damaging insects with this easy-to-use and effective solution. Get your garden growing. What we like? It's ready to use, so you can start protecting your plants right away. It's effective against a wide range of common pests. If you're looking for a convenient and effective organic solution, this is it. What people say. I wasn't sure what kind of bug was eating my rose bushes, but they looked horrible and were slowly dying. I sprayed this on the rose bushes and about a week later, I could already tell the difference. The leaves looked healthier and the plants started growing bigger and bigger. Really easy to spray on the plant. I tried around 7 different products to tackle a mealybug infestation that happened to my plants when I accidentally brought an infected plant in my home. They were everywhere and no matter what I did they would come back in a week or two since they were even in the soil. This was my final shot before I tossed out all the plants and with careful time it worked. I started by spraying the plant directly to make sure it didn't harm my plant. When that seemed to start clearing up the infestation, I started spraying down the entire plant and soil every other days. Without 2 weeks, I stopped seeing any more visible mealybugs. I continued doing it twice a week for about 6 weeks and completely took out the infestation. Luckily it took a few months but all my plants recovered. The first time I used it I sprayed my plants and the bugs were still hanging around. The second time I added it to the water when it was time to water my plants and that did the trick. Bugs went away completely. Number 4. Garden Safe Insect Killer. This product uses botanical insecticides, making it a safer choice for your garden and family. It's effective against a wide range of common garden pests. It eliminates aphids, tomato hornworms, and other listed insects on contact. Say goodbye to those pesky garden invaders. Use it on roses, vegetables, houseplants, indoors or outdoors. It's versatile and protects your entire garden. No mixing is required, it's ready to use right out of the bottle. Simply spray and protect your plants. Hold it 18 to 24 inches from the plants and spray both the upper and lower leaf surfaces for best results. It's easy to apply and highly effective. Treat your plants weekly, or as needed, to control infestations. You can apply it up to 10 times per season. What we like? This product uses botanical insecticides, making it a natural and safe choice. It kills pests on contact, providing quick results. If you need a versatile solution for your entire garden, this is the one for you. What people say. This stuff works the first time you use it. The plants don't even notice that you've used it. One use of this product and the bugs were gone. This product works extremely well on squash bugs, i.e., it kills them within seconds, especially the newly hatched ones. This product seems to work on getting rid of the mealybugs on my plants. Number 3. Premo Guard Pest Control. It's made with natural essential oils, making it safe for kids and pets when used as directed. This formula effectively eliminates and prevents common garden pests, both indoors and outdoors. It quickly eliminates aphids, spider mites, and many other insects. It's organic garden safe and perfect for indoor plants. You'll see results within hours. Just spray the top and bottom of leaves and stems, as well as the soil, to kill visible insects and their eggs. Shake well before each use and spray as needed. It's great for vegetables, flowers, fruits, herbs, and more, both indoors and outdoors. Order Premo Plant and Garden Pest Control today and receive excellent customer service, backed by our money-back guarantee. What we like? Made with natural essential oils, it's safe for kids and pets. It works quickly to eliminate pests. If you prioritize a natural and easy-to-use solution, this is a great option. What people say. This natural pest control spray has easy instructions and was simple to get set up. I use it primarily for outdoor plants in my garden. My squash and cucumbers are turned into a breeding ground for aphids and white flies. One treatment as directed and there have been no more. I used this on my hibiscus that was being attacked by bugs. Now it looks fantastic and has healthy leaves and beautiful flowers. Number 2. Gardening 8 ounces Botanical Insecticide. It's OMRI listed and meets National Organic Program requirements, making it perfect for your organic garden. Use it throughout the growing season, on various garden sizes, right up to harvest day. It's that convenient and effective. It's created from botanical-derived pyrethrins, making it a safe and natural choice for your plants. It effectively targets over 200 types of insects that damage your crops, including beetles, mites, roaches, and ants. Use it on a wide variety of plants, such as tomatoes, peppers, cucumbers, and celery, without worry. This insecticide provides effective pest control while remaining safe for your plants and the environment. What we like. It meets organic gardening standards and can be used throughout the growing season. It's effective against a wide range of insects. If you're looking for a highly effective and versatile organic insecticide, this is a great choice. What people say. Very good effective spray. Very easy to mix with understandable directions and safety precautions. Works very well, but I have come to prefer Spinosad for most purposes. Neem oil-based insecticide is my first line of defense, but this is a little bit of a stronger, quicker working option than that or others I use kills on contact versus 3 days like Spinosad. I've tried all kinds of products over the last 4 seasons to control the whiteflies that infest our 6 grapevines every year. Nothing has worked until now. This pyrethrin stuff worked overnight and I've only applied it about 4 times in total, and we are now going on more than 2 weeks without a single whitefly. There used to be thousands of them, no more. Works excellent. Number 1. Garden Safe Insecticidal Soap. It's perfect for your organic garden, and you can use it right up to harvest day. Say goodbye to those pesky insects. This soap effectively eliminates various pests, including aphids, mealybugs, and mites. It works by direct contact, so it's quick and efficient. It contains specially selected soaps that provide effective pest control without harsh chemicals. It's a natural and safe way to protect your plants. Use it indoors, outdoors, and even in your greenhouse. It's suitable for vegetables, fruit trees, and ornamentals. Simply spray it thoroughly on all plant parts, including the undersides of leaves. It's that easy to use. The container is non-refillable, so please dispose of it properly after use. Do not reuse or refill this container. What we like. It's ready to use and perfect for organic gardening, usable until harvest. You get 2 bottles, providing double the protection. If convenience and value are important to you, this is the one. What people say. Always spray my plants with this product before bringing them inside for the winter. Do not have to repot and no insects. Works safely on garden pests. Use as last resort to kill bugs that were killing my plants. I raise many tropical plants and have never had it harm the plant itself, which is a concern with most pesticides. The primary ingredient is a pyrethrin which I believe comes from marigolds. It is safe for humans and the environment when used as directed. It helps control aphids, spider mites, and the crawling stage of scale insect. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.